me introduce myself. My name is Ufilinda Walfrida Abu, and my friend, my name is Lufilinda Brigita Priya. In this video, we want to practice about conversation 1. Good morning, dear. How are you? Morning, Lucy. Fine, thanks. Are you fine too?
Yes, I am very well. How is your mother?
She is pretty well.
Is she still in Ende?
Yes, she is still there.
How about your father? He is? Is he there too?
No, he is. He is here with my brother.
Why is he here?
He is sick. He is at hospital now.
Is he recently ill?
Yes, he is. But he is better getting now. Thank you.